start. This is Monday. Today started very similar to yesterday. Oops, something a bit on my watch. Let me get that off. Oh, if I can, yes. So it's 1:19 and I have 2 deliveries again. Something the same as yesterday. And yeah, this is a cool art piece that you can see in the center of Riga, right here next to some kind of government building or something like that. What else can I say? Yeah, the weather is really nice. It's like let's check this guy out. It's like not hot and not cold, like something in between. Really good for bike riding, and we'll try to make it a good day today, delivery wise. But we'll see. Maybe I will have to do some chores later on in the day. But for now, let's keep on riding and wait for the next delivery. Delivery number 3 today. This is the building, by the way. Quite cool. And next to that building, this is how it looks from the backside, is a canal that goes through Riga. So that's pretty cool. That's some kind of Asian architecture sitting place also. Different birds fighting over the same food. Look how everything here. Seagulls also trying to get some. By the way, maybe someone knows what this chemical molecule represents. Probably it's written there on the side. Maybe someone just knows by looking at it. I should probably go and check it out on the side. Let's see what's written here. Oops, just a second. If someone's interested, they can pause and read it. Oh yeah, but it's in Latin. It's probably the invention of this guy that you can see over here. Nice mirror effect also on this. These are made from steel. So, oh look. So, yeah, the weather has turned a bit misty, like slowly raining, but just like really small raindrops. And yeah, just delivered one delivery and we'll deliver more until I get fully wet or no more deliveries come in. Either or. There you can see my bike down there by the wall. So yeah, we will continue, but just wanted to show you the weather. So, 18 deliveries today. Fishing. And yeah, it started raining quite heavily. So I got some freeze in my bag that I got from Billy Snack. And Let's head back home. Hello, beautiful. Oh, and of course, thank you very much for watching. Ubu signing off. Peace.